Hey y'all, it's Morgan from All Things Automotive. Today we're going to be looking at a 2019 Ford F-150 XLT in a blue exterior. I would like to mention this vehicle does have a clean CARFAX. We're going to walk around and show you some features, advantages, and benefits of owning this gorgeous vehicle. Starting here at the front end, you will notice the black grille insert with gray trim. Along the bottom, you will notice your black accents with running fog lights, as well as your black towing hooks. And take a look at those gorgeous LED headlights. As we make our way to the side, you will notice light new tires all the way around, just like every other vehicle here, All Things Automotive. A couple things to point out on the exterior: you will have turn signal indicators, as well as heated mirrors, and you will also have running boards. Moving forward, we'll go ahead and show you guys the interior. The interior of this vehicle will come with a premium black cloth, along with a black dash. While we're in here, we'll go ahead and get out the inspection sheet to show you guys the tire depth as well as the brakes. For your tire depth, you'll have 15 and 32 seconds all the way around. And for your brakes, the front pads will be 15 and 32 seconds, and your rear pads will be 13 and 32 seconds. In the back seat, that premium black cloth interior will stay the same. Not to mention, on the back of the center console, you will have two cup holders as well as a 12-volt plug-in. You will also have two USB plug-ins as well as a 110-volt plug-in, and you will also have your heat and AC vents. Coming here to the rear, this vehicle is equipped with a hitch and receiver. It is also equipped with a backup camera and a bed cover. While we're back here, we'll go ahead and drop the tailgate to show you guys the bed size. I would also like to mention this vehicle will have keyless entry. Making our way now to some of the interior features of this vehicle, it will come equipped with power windows, power mirrors, power locks, and power seat adjustments. Hopping on in, let's go ahead and start this vehicle up for y'all. You will notice that this vehicle will come with just over 59,000 miles on it. To the left of your steering wheel, you will have your headlight and fog light options, as well as your dash brightness and your parking brake. The left knob here behind your steering wheel will be your windshield wipers, as well as your turn signals and your bright lights. On the left side of your steering wheel, you will have your dashboard options, as well as your cruise control. And on the right side of your steering wheel, you will have your audio options, as well as your talking options. Coming here to the center, you will have a large touchscreen display equipped with AM, FM, Sirius XM, Bluetooth ready. You will also have navigation. And as I mentioned earlier, you will also have a backup camera. You will also have your climate control options here in the center, as well as your heated seats. You will have your four-wheel drive options, as well as a 12-volt plug-in and a 110-volt plug-in. You will also have a storage area here with two USB plug-ins. You will have your gear shifter, two cup holders, and a large center console. To end off the interior features, up top you will have your lighting options, as well as a sunglass holder. And you will also have a button here that will make the middle of the back glass slide back and forth. Taking a look underneath the hood, you will find a 2.7L V6F DOHC 24V engine. Notice too that our engine bays come extremely clean and well maintained, free of any evidence of oil or exhaust leaks. For the final portion of this video, we're going to walk around and show you any imperfections you may find. Starting here at the front end, you will have a couple stone chips. Here on the front passenger side door, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple small scratches. Here on the rear passenger side door, you will have a couple chips. Here on the passenger side of the bed, you will have a couple small scratches. Here on the tailgate, you will have a couple chips, as well as a couple scratches. Here on the driver's side of the bed, you will have a couple scratches. Here on the front driver's side door, you will have a couple scratches. These are all pre-owned vehicles here, all things automotive. However, we believe in minimizing them as much as possible. That's all I have for y'all today on this 2019 Ford F-150 XLT in a blue exterior. Please hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated on any new vehicle here at All Things Automotive. If you have any questions, please call 717-485-4224, option 1 for sales, or just go ahead and stop by to see us at 21518 Great Cove Road in McCallsburg, PA.